In this Photoshop tutorial, I'll show you how to create a pop art effect in a minute. Let's begin. First, go to Select and choose Subject to automatically select your subject. With the selection active, click the Layer Mask button to remove the background. Next, right-click on the Layer Mask thumbnail and choose Apply Layer Mask to make the background removal permanent. Now go to Image Adjustments and choose Desaturate to remove the image's color. After that, add a solid color layer. Choose a color that's not too dark or too bright, something in between as shown. Change the blending mode of the solid color layer to Hard Mix. Next, add a Gradient Map Adjustment layer. Click on the Gradient Preview to open the Gradient Editor. In the default gradient, click in the middle to add a new color stop and set its location to 40. Double-click the new middle color stop and choose red color. Then click OK. Now double-click the right color stop and change its color to yellow. Then click OK. Double-click the solid color layer's color thumbnail and experiment with different colors. Avoid those that are too dark or too bright. Try out different shades and see how they influence the overall pop art look. Once you're happy with the colors and the final effect, click OK. And that's it! You've created a pop art effect in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.